Story time! Bug Boy Spider Camp. Written by Jane Willis. Dan has lots of bugs. He had a bug zoo. One morning there was a big spider. Wow! Dan put a spider in a jar. "This is Tom," he said. "Come on, Dan," said Dad. "We are going camping." "Come on, Tom," said Dad. "You are going camping too." It was a long trip in the car. Emma got cross with Dan. "I will not sleep in Dan's tent," said Emma. Emma went in the big tent. Dan was in his little tent. He let Tom out of the jar. In the night, Emma came to Dan's tent. "Let me in," she said. "Dad is snoring." "No, Tom is in here. You'll not like him," said Dan. But Emma got into the tent. The spider fell on her. "Yuck," said Emma. Plop. "Good night, Tom," said Dan. Follow Momzmoments. Keep supporting. We'll meet you in another video. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.